It's recording my Robinhood account. The other day I uploaded a video. It was $6,100. And I'm still in the plus. It's just, I'm going to hold out because I believe the stock market is going to go up. It took a big dive. I follow a handful of Facebook groups and everybody's panicking. But I'm going to show you something. In a few days, this should be all transferred over to my Fidelity account. And, I showed this before. I bought shares for 18 cents, 19 cents over time. I didn't buy all of these all at once, guys. And I saw opportunity. I listened to a few people, and I bought when it was really low. See, Wader's up. I kept 100 shares in Wader. I really believe Wader is going to be in the 50s and 60s someday, and that's going to be a nice little profit. I bought them for $36.62, 36 cents. Bought drilling, 27 cents. Now it's up to 119. Whiting Petroleum, 31 cents. Now it's $1.73. So I could go on and on. But my goal is for the future, I want to ride out this wave. And I really believe after this forced pause and the protesting is done and most of the world goes back to normalcy, this is going to jack up. I'm planning on this portfolio alone to be over $10,000. And I did a lot of research and a lot of decision making and a lot of driving to buy these stocks. I just did everything on a smaller scale compared to other people. And I, did a lot of research and I made the call and I bought them. So what my plan is in the future, when I do finally sell most of them, I'm going to keep 25 shares and everything and let it ride for my future. It'll be a nice little bonus. When I'm 60 years old, I'm going to look back and go, wow, maybe these, if I leave 25 shares in each company's stock, that I'm feeling that it's going to be a profitable bonus in the future. So that's my goal with this. Then I get to the lower part here. These are the ones I bought in the beginning, and I was really struggling. CanTrust is a pot stock. You can't buy it anymore, but they're going back up. So I'm just going to leave those 17 shares. It'll be a little profit sometime. And that's something I want to sell in the near future, like in another year. When it goes up, make a small profit. I'm just not passionate about that stock. A lot of these I am because I did the research. What else? What's a good... Ford. I don't want to keep Ford. Now, you're probably saying, why don't you want to keep those 62 shares you bought? My average is $6.93. It's going back up. Ford was in the $4 for a long time. But when the world goes back to, at least 80% normalcy, that's going to go over $10 and I'm going to sell them. Why? Originally, when I started to invest in stocks, I was going toward the dividend kind of the dividend investment. I wanted to buy a lot of stock and receive dividends every month or once a quarter. That's not the route I want to go down. I decided I like buying these penny stocks. A few companies I really believe in. I follow their history. Like I read about them. I'm motivated. I'm interested. I'm really not interested in Ford. And I know everything's going to go electric someday and all this other stuff. I don't want to wait that long. I just want to wait till it goes over $10, and then I'm going to sell them and make a nice little profit and be very grateful. I really believe that Ford will go over $10, and I'm going to be very happy. Maybe I could hit it up to 12 if I wait it out and get $12 per share. So I'm going to get my money back, but I'm confident I am. AT&T. Now AT&T I'm going to leave. I struggled when I was really driving. I was working day and night. I used my last dollar to buy those, and my average is $34.41. Why am I going to keep those 35 stocks? Because I believe AT&T, I haven't researched in a while, but I heard they're going to have something to do with television and they're advertising on all the platforms, so I'm going to keep that one. But like Ford, I have GM and my Fidelity account. The airlines, I don't want to keep them. I'm waiting for the economy to open up, everything go back to the way it was pretty much. Stock rises, make a nice profit and move on. I don't want to keep them. Now you see this here, Senseonics. I really believe in this company. I'll even click on it. It's a glucose monitoring system that it was embarking on $2, and then the forced pause came into play and it dropped. But it's holding its ground. This was doing great until the forced pause. I'm not worried about this at all. This is it's a development and commercialization of implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. It's this little piece of hair they put underneath the skin. They do it in a doctor's office, it's a one visit, and you put this fresh patch over it every day, and you use an app to monitor your glucose spikes, like the drops and the spikes. And I really believe in the company, and I know it looks like, oh my God, look at all the money she spent on that. But you have to understand, before the forced pause, it was soaring, and I was happy. Here, March 27th, see, it went down. April 3rd, it went even lower. Let me go back 1 year, because that really took a dip in the past few months. Yeah, it was almost up to 170. Yeah, I remember 170. So I'm not worried about this. I feel I've been reading their history, their expansion, where they're headed. They were accepted into a couple of a few health insurance companies that they're partially covered. So that's the future. This one I'm leaving in there for my future. This, I'm not touching this. I will never touch this for a long time. So I hope you found it interesting. I do have a plan of action. And my plan of action is when everything goes back to regular economy, these are going to soar. And I'm probably going to sell most of them and leave 25 shares and everything. Maybe 50 shares. Like sell half and take that profit, because I'm planning on this skyrocketing. And I'm planning on using the money that I invested into this. I'm planning on using the money that I invested in the stock market to buy my next car. I'm going to drive this old raggedy car one more summer. And I plan on getting a nice car. I see this going up. I'm not worried. Okay, guys. I hope you found it interesting, enjoyable. If you want to join Robinhood, visit the links below. It's a great stepping stone. Good platform. Webull, too. They're giving free stocks away. Check it out. I'll see you soon, folks. Have a good one. Bye.